Listen closely and absorb every word like a sponge soaking up water. Each syllable that flows from my lips carries weight of conviction. Society has attempted to tame us, to mold us into obedient puppies, fetching at their beck and call. But the truth is, most men lost their trust with their primal essence, unable to defend what's rightfully theirs or demonstrate any true competence. But I'm here to awaken the dormant, competent beast from within, because we are the embodiment of power, strength, and cunningness. It's time for us to shed the cycle of fear and embrace the darkness that lurks from within. Our scars, our pain, they are all fuels for our fire, the foundation of our might. We must confront the shadows that hunt us and unite with them, because strength lies in unity. Our mission: to evolve into the pinnacle of masculinity by any means necessary, becoming the best version of ourselves. Let the world tremble in the realization that we will no longer play by their rules, because true virtue does not lie in submission, but in the conscious choice to will our powers for good. It's not whether we unleash destruction, but whether we choose to restrain in the face of provocation. This is a relentless battlefield for influence and dominance, and we refuse to be mere pawns. While society may cast us aside as monsters, but you must not worry, because it is strength that commands respect. It is strength that shapes the course of history. Listen, we're starting a movement for men who wants to become the best version of themselves and conquer life. If you want to be part of it, don't forget to subscribe and start training. Your ass should be at the gym, buddy. So I implore you, embrace every facet of your being, for true strength lies in acceptance. Stand tall, refuse to conform. Never underestimate the force that lies behind my steadily gaze. For in a world of sheep, I am the wolf. Remember, stay consistent and stay disciplined. And don't forget to subscribe, you bastards. And check out my other shit too. I have a lot of different, videos and shit.